too. It's close. Oh shit.
Ooh.
In the event of an emergency. Oh, hey, thank God you're not playing anymore.
Yeah. All right, guys. Last minute decision to do a gig vlog because I'm down on Cape Cod at the new Seabury Country Club DJing Mashpee High School senior prom. So this one should be good. The landscape looks incredible. I drove past 10 homes that are my dream houses. So I'll be passing around a donation bucket in the comment section if anybody wants to donate to my future residents over here. The country club is incredible, and these houses, they overlook a golf course and the ocean. And I'm like, what do I have to do in life to get one of these? So I think I'll make as many vlogs as it takes, but I'm looking forward to showing you guys this landscape and taking you guys with me. So let's get it. Wow, look at these views. I don't remember my prom ever looking like this. Alright, so it's a bit windy, chilly today, so I got my windbreaker on. This setup looks like it's going to be a breeze. Excited to show you guys what it looks like in there because the views make me feel like I'm spoiled. Alright, so here's where I parked. And I just opted to go this route for the load-in. I just wanted to park the car. I did 2 load-ins today because I brought a little bit of uplights for them. So, and I got here a couple hours early, which was good news. There was a bit of a blockage on the Bourne Bridge. Kind of stunk, but they said I could pull up right here where this truck is, unload through this door, and then park, but I wanted to work out to the left. Here's the bar, shortcut through the closet. Then I'm right here.
Feels like, do you love me or not? Head is spinning and it don't know when to stop. You said forever, babe, did you mean it or not? Hold on, hold on. You leave me on red, baby, but I still get the message. Instead of lines, 3 dots, but I can connect them. And if it ain't right, babe, you know I respect it. But if you need time, just take your time. Honey, I get it, I get it, I get it. Way you got me all in my head. Think I'd rather you in my bed. Whatever it is, you know I can take it. Counting the days, how many days till I can see you again. Counting the days, how many days till I can see you again. Way you got me all in my head. Think I'd rather you in my bed. Whatever it is, you know I can take it. I'm counting the days, how many days till I can see you again. Ooh, kisses like see you again. The way you got me all in my head, got me all in my head. Got all of you in my bed. Whatever it is, you know I can take it. Counting the days, how many days till I can see you again. The way you got me all in my head, got me all in my head. Got all of you in my bed. Whatever it is, you know I can take it. Counting the days, how many days till I can see you again.
Yeah, so about an hour into this gig, and I gotta say that the staff here are incredible, super nice, super helpful. This is about an hour and a half drive for me, and I would do it every single week if I could. So, love it here, incredibly accommodating. If you guys have the privilege of DJing here, definitely it's gonna be a treat for you guys. I don't wanna spoil it all, but it's a great venue.
Put some cheese on it, get out and get your bread up. They always leaving you, bro. I'm coming for ya, I'm coming for ya.
I'm going to.
They're not. It's close though. It's 85 to 92. It's close. Oh shit.
Ooh.
In the event of an emergency. Oh, hey, thank God you're not playing anymore.
Yeah, I was about to say that would have killed all of it, huh?
$30 million clubhouse. We should.
Yeah. Wow. Yeah, perfect timing.
Just emptied out anyways. That was perfect timing. Dude, these little RCF columns aren't bad, man.
Yeah, they do put in work.
Ooh.
All right, can you guys do me a favor and make sure that I don't leave anything behind tonight? Food.